everyone. Just want to show the cross stitch I'm working on right now. It's going to be a lache, which is, you know, for the coins on the Hmong outfit. I made it into a triangle shape, and it's going to go all the way around the waist. I put it on a mannequin so you guys can actually see how it's going to maybe turn out like. But I still got to put, when I'm done, I'm going to put borders on the top and also all the way around. I don't know how exactly I'm going to do that, but I'm going to try. And then it's going to have coins on it. It's not that big. So hopefully it's going to be perfect for it. If not, I'll add more borders on it just to make it bigger. And then this is one of the outfits that I just finished. I want to say a month ago. I'm not doing any right now, but I am trying to work on this and try to finish it. There's my Shay. I will, of course, make another video when I do my other outfit, but I haven't got to it. And this is how it's gonna look like. Focus it. There we go. And then I did these border with the blue and the black in the center. It goes all the way around. And it's just a regular blue and black for Lu. That's all. And this is the finished outfit. Don't mind the dress. The dress is really old. And then this is a old antique sewing machine that I got. I'm still in the process of maybe trying to buy an old sewing machine and putting it in, because it didn't come with any sewing machine. But it opens up. It's still dirty. I haven't even cleaned it yet. Oh, wrong way. And then here's a little. I'm going to show you guys a little of my sewing spot. I got a senior heavy duty. I love it. I also got a brother, but I'm not using it. This is one of the outfits that I finished a while back. I pleated out a skirt for my niece. This is her outfit, and this is my nephew's shirt. I'm not even done with it. I just left it. I just need to put buttons or pins all the way around so that he could button his shirt. A little of whatever. These are just some of the fabrics that I put away right here in front. And then I've got my cross stitch folded up. And then whatever I'm going to use, I'll cut it out and I'll use it. Just some random stuff. And so on and so forth. My ribbons, my yarns, just some of them, and my little ironing board, and everything is in these tubs, and 2 more tubs in the back. But yeah, bye.